How to use crying filter on Snapchat. To use the crying filter, open up your Snapchat. Now from here you can search for the crying filter. Tap on this search icon on the top of the screen. Now search for crying and it will show you all the crying features that are available. If you tap on view more, it will even show you more options. Select the one that you want to try out. You can use this filter both from the back camera and the front camera. If you don't like this one, you can try out from many other options that are available. So that's how you can use crying filter on Snapchat.